Hey everyone, welcome back. So, recently I've been seeing this hack method all over. People saying you can get unlimited emeralds in Ludus using just your phone. No computer, no complicated setup. At first, I didn't really believe it. It sounded a bit too good to be true. But I decided to test it myself and see if there's anything behind it. In this video, I'll go through everything I did step by step, and at the end we'll check together what actually happened. First, you'll need your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. For me, it only took a few seconds to locate. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. I searched for the site everyone was talking about. When it loaded, I didn't get any weird pop-ups or redirects. The page actually looked clean and normal, which I didn't really expect. Once I got on the site, I used the search bar to find the LUDUS Emeralds Hack option. After that, it asked me to choose my device. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option there too. Then I entered my player ID, double-checked it to make sure everything was right, and tapped Continue. Next, it asked me how many emeralds I wanted. Since I was just testing it, I picked the highest amount to see if it would actually work. After I confirmed, a few loading bars showed up like it was processing everything step by step. It explained each part, so it was easy to follow along. Right before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were simple and didn't take long. I already did that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check the results. To check if it actually worked, I opened Ludus again and looked at my emeralds. And yeah, they were there. No restarting the game, no waiting around. It updated instantly, which I didn't expect. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried something like this and how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.